How to control how ads appear to you on Truecaller. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to do it easy and quick. First open Truecaller and then click on your profile, and now click settings, and now scroll down until you find privacy center, and here we'll find who can see my here we'll find control how ads appear to you. Click on it, and that's it. Here you can control it, and I hope that can help you. Then just go back, it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.